Hello students, welcome to the channel Digitonus. I am Neha Bhatia and now I am going to start the revision of class 10th maths, and we will start the revision from the very first chapter, real numbers, chapter 1. And firstly I have written all the topics which are there in the chapter 1, and the topics are Euclid's division lemma, prime factors, SCF and LCM, then relationship between SCF and LCM. Fifth is proving of irrational, that you have to prove that 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Sixth is decimal expansion, means first it can be like that you convert this number into decimal form or show that which number is terminating and which one is non-terminating. And the last is converting non-terminating repeating decimal expansion in the form of rational. So let's start from the first topic, Euclid's division lemma. Students, earlier it was the very important topic from the first chapter, but now in session 2021 CBSE has reduced, means cut this topic from chapter 1. CBSE ने topic cut कर दिया है, but doesn't mean that CBSE has deducted this topic, so SCF will not come. SCF निकालने के और भी बहुत तरीके होते हैं. We have two other methods, prime factorization and long division method. So SCF is there already, is there in the syllabus. But all the questions which are related to Euclid's division lemma, कौन से question थे? एक तो SCF का था. One more question, if you remember, that show that every odd positive integer is in the form of 6m plus 3, 6m plus 1. These questions will also not be there in your exam, okay? Means the questions related to Euclid's division lemma. Second है prime factors. Prime factors individually ऐसे निकालने के लिए तो नहीं आता है, but उससे related question आता है that show that 4 raised to the power n or 6 raised to the power n can never end with the digit 0. So that these questions are related to prime factors. And the simple questions can come, language questions also can come from the topic SCF and LCM. Fourth, relationship between SCF and LCM, simple question and language question, same. So these three topics, prime factors, SCF and LCM, and relationship between SCF and LCM, we will cover in this video today only, and rest three topics we will cover in the next video. Okay, so let's start. So the first topic which I am taking, that is prime factors. Prime factors, I think you already know about the factors and you already know about the prime numbers. अगर आपको दोनों का meaning पता है, it means this topic is very easy for you. Prime numbers are the numbers which have two factors only. 2, not less than 2 or not more than 2. That's why 1 is also not a prime number. 1 भी prime number नहीं है. The smallest prime number is 2, because 2 has two factors, 1 and 2. और prime numbers वही होते हैं जिनके दो factor होते हैं, एक 1 and then second is number itself. एक 1 होता है और एक वो खुद number ही उसका factor होता है. These numbers are called prime numbers, and factors you already know, by which number we can divide the given number, that all numbers are factors. But from those factors which are prime, that called prime factors. तो हमें given number के क्या करने होते हैं? Prime factors करने होते हैं. Means suppose number is 28, so it can be written 14 into 2. Both are the factors. But if the question is that you do the prime factors of 28, तो हमें इसको भी split करना पड़ेगा 7 into 2 into 2, and these all three numbers are prime numbers. So these all are prime factors of 28. Clear? Now, which question is important related to this topic in chapter 1? Question is, show that 4 raised to the power n, means any number can be there here in place of 4, 6, 8. Okay. So we have to show that 4 raised to the power n can never end with digit 0 for any natural number. For any natural number. Okay. This question can come in section A. सेक्शन ए का जो 1 मार्क वाला पोर्शन होता है उसमें आ सकता है ये क्वेश्चन. सो हाउ टू डू इट? फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू द लॉजिक, देन आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. फर्स्टली यू टेल मी they are asking number should be end with the digit 0. So you tell me the smallest number which end with digit 0. सबसे छोटा नंबर जो 0 से एंड होता है वो होगा 10. ठीक है, सबसे छोटा ही होगा. और ग्रेटेस्ट तो आप कितने भी लिख सकते हैं, 100, 1000, 20, 30. So every number which end with digit 0 all are divisible by 5. Yes or not? If you are writing 20, 50 or 40, all are divisible by 5. You can check. Okay, सारे नंबर जो 0 से एंड होते हैं वो 5 से डिविजिबल होंगे. इट मीन्स इफ बेस नंबर, जो नंबर बेस है, बेस में है, उसका अगर 5 कोई फैक्टर है, मीन्स इट शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 5. तो 5 क्या होना चाहिए, इसका फैक्टर होना चाहिए. अगर 5 इस नंबर का फैक्टर है जो हमें नंबर गिवन है, देन इट कैन एंड विद द डिजिट 0. अदरवाइज इट कैन नेवर एंड विद द डिजिट 0, क्योंकि जो नंबर 0 से एंड होते हैं उनका एक फैक्टर 5 होता है, क्योंकि वो सब डिविजिबल होते हैं 5 से. सो हाउ टू डू इट? आई होप इट्स क्लियर. लॉजिक क्लियर हो गया. अब करना कैसे है, आपको यही लिखना है, इफ द नंबर if the number should end, means language you can form yourself, should end with digit 0, then 5 must be a factor, then 5 must be a factor of that number. Okay, पूरा लिख लेना आप. लैंग्वेज आप अपने आप भी बना सकते हैं. So now what we will do? We will do the prime factors of 4. We will write prime factors of 4. 4 के prime factors क्या होंगे? 2 into 2. 1 is not a prime number, so we will not write. Prime factors क्या है? 2. और इसमें जब हमने prime factors किए 4 के, 5 is not there. So there, यहाँ पे आप वही लिख देंगे, since 5 is not the factor of 4, since 5 is not the factor of 4, therefore 4 raised to the power n can never end with the digit 0. Is it clear? ऐसे ही लैंग्वेज में करना है, बस प्राइम फैक्टर्स करके दिखाने हैं इस नंबर के, और लैंग्वेज लिख के आपको ये शो करना है that if 5 is not the factor of this number, so this number can never end with the digit 0 for any natural number. अगर यहाँ पे हम कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर रख दें, 1, 2, 3, कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर रख दें, लेकिन ये नंबर 0 से एंड नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि 5 इसका फैक्टर नहीं है. आई होप दिस फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. So students, now our next topic is SCF and LCM. So SCF we can find out by the two methods, prime factorization method or long division method, and LCM by prime factorization method. So language questions are very important related to this topic. Language question बहुत important है क्योंकि यूक्लिड्स डिलीट हो गया है, तो SCF या LCM में से किसी एक का लैंग्वेज क्वेश्चन 90% आ सकता है. ठीक है. So I have written two word problems here. One is related to SCF and one is related to LCM. First, read the first one. Find greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length 7 meter, 3 meter 85 centimeter and 12 meter 95 centimeter. So because greatest possible length is written and you know that SCF full form is highest common factor. Highest and greatest both are the synonyms. So greatest word से ही हम पहचान सकते हैं that we have to find out SCF in this question. So let's start solution. What are the lengths? 3 lengths. We will convert all the lengths in the centimeter. So first one will be 700 centimeter, third one will be 385 centimeter and fourth one will be 1295 centimeter. Both methods can be used. You use according to your convenience. I am using long division because according to me long division method is easier than prime factorization method. So what happens in long division method? First you choose the smallest number out of 3, smallest is 385. Now what you have to do, you have to divide these both numbers one by 385. तो मैं पहले 700 को डिवाइड करती हूँ. So 385 आ जाएगा, 385 बन जा 385. ओके, सो until इट विल नॉट बी डिवाइडेड प्रॉपरली. जब तक ये प्रॉपरली डिवाइड नहीं हो जाएगा, रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ जाएगा, तब तक हमें कंटिन्यूएशन में डिवीजन करना है. तो अब हम कहाँ से डिवीजन करेंगे, अब हम क्या प्रोसीजर है, यूक्लिड लॉन्ग डिवीजन से सिमिलर ही था. ठीक है, वो बस स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में था. ओके, और ये आपका कैलकुलेशन फॉर्म में है. तो अब हम ये 385 जो यहाँ पे आपका क्या है, डिवाइजर, नाउ इट विल बी द डिविडेंड and remainder will be the divisor. So 385 we will write here, again 315 1 ja 315 and it is 70. Now again because remainder is not 0, again we have to do that step and 315 will become dividend. So it will be 4, I think. 70 into 4 280, so 35. Now again 70 will be the dividend and you can see here that remainder is 0. So it means the SCF of these two number is 35. अभी तो इन दोनों नंबर का SCF आया, वो क्या है 35. Now we have to check that 35 is the SCF, कॉमन फैक्टर है या नहीं है 1295 का. तो हम now we will divide this third number 1295 by the number 35. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या करते हैं हम, yes 335 into 3 105 and now 245, now 7 245. So remainder is 0, it means 35 is the factor of 1295 also. So 35 is dividing all three numbers, it means 35 is the SCF of all three numbers. So we will write here, since SCF of, you write all these three numbers, since SCF of 7 meter, these three length is 35, therefore write your answer in language. Therefore greatest possible length is 35 centimeter, meter nahi centimeter. Therefore greatest possible length is 35 centimeter. ये आपका आंसर हो गया फर्स्ट का. ठीक है, I hope it's clear. Now come to the second one. An electronic device makes a beep after 60 seconds. एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस बीप करते हैं हर 60 सेकंड के बाद. And another device beeps after 62 seconds. जो दूसरी डिवाइस है वो बीप करती है 62 सेकंड्स के बाद, again and again after 62 seconds. They beeped together at 10 AM. पहले जो उनका एक साथ का बीप हुआ वो 10 बजे हुआ 10 AM पे. Now they are asking at what time they will beep again together. So ऐसे केस में जो हम देखेंगे आगे 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 हम जा रहे हैं तो हम मल्टीपल्स निकालते हैं, फैक्टर्स नहीं निकालते. तो जो आगे हम जाएंगे और जो कॉमन मल्टीपल होगा वहीं पे ही वो दोबारा बीप करेंगे दोनों एक साथ. So it means then in this question we have to find out the LCM. और किसका निकालना है, LCM of 60 and 62 seconds. तो LCM निकालते हैं प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से. दोनों को एक साथ लिख लेंगे. बोथ द नंबर्स कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. So 30 and 31. Now there is no common factor of 30 and 31. It means this procedure is completed. So what will be the LCM? 2 into 30 into 31. So 90 into 31. Sorry, 60 into 31 and it will be 1860. ये किस में था, सेकेंड्स में, seconds. Now because these are so many seconds, so we can convert these seconds into minutes. So divide by 60. What is coming? 31 minutes. So first they beeped together at 10 AM. Now after 31 minutes of 10 AM, तो कितने टाइम पे बाद अगेन बीप करेंगे? They will beep, then therefore they will beep together at 10 31 AM। हमने 10 AM में उस और 31 मिनट्स ऐड कर दिए, तो टाइम क्या हो गया, 10 पहले था, 10:31 AM हो गया। सो दीज बोथ डिवाइसेस विल बीप टुगेदर एट 10 AM। I hope both questions are clear to you and both topics are also clear to you, that where we have to find out the HCF and where we have to find out the LCM. Okay, now move forward to the next topic. So students, our next topic is relationship between HCF and LCM. तो HCF और LCM जो दो नंबर का हम निकालते हैं उनके बीच में क्या रिलेशन होता है? The relation is that two numbers which we have, their HCF and LCM, okay, multiplication of their HCF and LCM is equal to the product of these two numbers. जो दो नंबर हैं उनका प्रोडक्ट और HCF और LCM का प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? इक्वल. दिस इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन HCF and LCM, okay, of two numbers. Fine. So that's why I have written two questions here related to this topic. The question can come in the form of language, like you can see here, HCF of two numbers is 23 and their LCM is also given. One number is also given and we have to find out the other number. So by this formula we can find out easily. How? You just write the formula that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers, or instead of this writing you can write A into B. Two numbers you are assuming as A into B. So HCF is 23, LCM is 1449, first number is 161 and next number is B. So how to find out the B? That this can go in the division here, means 161 can change the place and it can go here, but it will go it will change the place when it will change the sign. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है तो किस में जाएगा? डिवीजन में जाएगा. So 23 into 1449 upon 161 will be equal to the another number, and when will you solve it? The answer will be 207. Fine. Now the next question which I have written means this relation question can be in the form of this, means language नहीं लिखी है, बस इतना लिखा है given that HCF, ये क्या है ब्रैकेट में, क्या है? two numbers are there in the bracket and HCF of these two numbers is equal to 18. Then find LCM. So if the question is in this form, don't be confused. It is written clearly that HCF of these two numbers is 18. तो दोनों नंबर भी हैं, HCF भी है, LCM निकालना है. Again write formula HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. HCF is given 18, LCM given नहीं है, and two numbers are 252 and 594. So what will be the LCM? Now we will shift 18 in division. In right hand side, 252 into 594 divided by 18 and solve this, and then you can get the LCM. So this is the relationship between HCF and LCM. So I hope all the three topics are clear to you, and the next three topics which are remaining we will cover in the next video. Thank you.